So this video is about how to remove stains from basically oak. This is an oak veneer table. Now you see that one there, there's a ring, and got one there and one there. Yeah, and it's disposing. So I discovered this purely by accident. Thought I'd give it a go. These are those magic erasers, nothing special, just the cheap ones. And here I've got some Danish rusting Danish oil. And literally all I did was pop this on there like that, put a bit of oil on it. You can see the mark there, quite see it there visibly. Just keep going until it takes it off. It'll keep the sponge moist, but you can see already that has vanished. Yeah, it's gone. So let's try one of these, which is a common thing. We all get them on coffee tables and it's annoying. So there's quite a bad one there. So we've got the magic eraser, a bit of oil. It's definitely removing it, and the thing is with these, you've got a slight bit of abrasive on them, not too much. I'm guessing what I will have to do is go over the table just to get an even coat, but it stops you having to sand all this back. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just going to show you what I can do real quick and I will finish it off. So you can see there already is a marked improvement. Yeah. And I will continue with that and probably swap the eraser over. So it's got a bit more bite to it. You can see there I've got it on there and it's virtually gone. So anyway, you can see it's removed it, and I will put a bit more work in, but I don't want to keep going over the same thing, it'll get boring for people. So we've managed to remove sort of coffee mug stains off an oak veneer table with some rusting Danish oil and some cheap magic erasers. But I'm going to go over the whole table just to get an even finish when I'm done. Hope that helps somebody. Thank you.